Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'll be showing you a time lapse of my post winter clean out of the shed. Now this is a full clean where I do the worktop, I drag everything out, I sweep at least 4 times, I mop twice, and I just get everything nice and clean and disinfected. So let's get to it. So while I was doing all this, I thought, what are my animals doing in that run? How do they behave? How are they interacting? They've never been in the run together before. I've always kept my rabbits and guinea pigs separate. So I thought, let's film it and see what they do. Turns out it was nothing much and it was just what they normally do, but it was quite an interesting concept. So the reason why I keep 2 rabbits and 1 guinea pig together is simply because Yoshi's 2 playmates both died November and December. These 2 were full brothers, same litter, been together since born. So after speaking to the vets, they thought it was something genetically wrong with them, causing him to die. So I decided, come spring, I'm going to get him a friend. Never thought of keeping him with the rabbits. No, that you shouldn't. So, fast forward a few weeks, I come out, Patsy's escaped and got out with Yoshi. And that past week, I noticed Yoshi was losing weight. I was having to force feed him, and he just wasn't up for eating. So, when I went up, I could hear weaking, and I was like, somebody's getting better, somebody's not lonely. Turns out Patsy had escaped. So I was watching him, and when it came to meal times, I decided, right, I'm going to let Yoshi out with whichever rabbit was out, because at that time even the rabbits weren't bonded. That's another story for another day. So over time I saw that Patsy gets on very well with Yoshi. She doesn't really like other rabbits. It's been hit and miss bonding her. So I thought, let's give it a try. Let's see how they are. So there's lots of hiding places where Patsy can't get, like under the hutch, behind the bale, tunnels, just all sorts. So that's why they're together. And now he's with them. Every morning he wakes. He's always the first to food. And surprisingly, he's in charge of Patsy, which I never saw coming.